In the meantime, a total of 629 flood victims housed in temporary evacuation centres nationwide have been examined by health personnel as of yesterday. Health Minister Datuk Sri Dr. Zulkifli Ahmad reported there were 78 cases of acute respiratory infection, 16 skin infections, 2 cases of acute gastroenteritis and 1 case of conjunctivitis. He added that no cases required hospital referral and no infectious disease outbreaks have been detected so far. A total of 48 emergency medical teams have been deployed to the evacuation centres to provide treatment and disease prevention services.
Dan akhir sekali stok ubat-ubatan kami. Ya, stok ubatan adalah penting, mencukupi sekurang-kurangnya 3 bulan. So dengan bekalan tambahan tersedia dari pembekal konsesi kami.
In addition to physical care, mental health and psychosocial support services have been provided to assist victims affected emotionally by the floods.